This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes. Hello friends. Welcome to Gateway Solutions. Today I have brought a video for you that if we have to install VPN in Chrome as an extension, then how can you do that? Friends, what do you have to do for that? Open your browser and open a new tab here. Now we have to open the Chrome Web Store. So we will type Web Store here and select Web Store Chrome from here. So you have to open this first link. Whatever VPN you want to install here, you can do it. Your method will be the same for all VPNs. So let me show you how to do it. As I searched for Urban VPN and then I pressed enter. Okay, so this is the first Urban VPN show. You can do any of the other VPNs. Whatever you want to do, click on it. Then click on Add to Chrome. You will get a message here that Add Urban VPN Proxy. Your VPN name will be shown here. So you have to click on Add Extension here. After that you have to wait and it will take about 30 to 40 seconds and your VPN will be installed. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so look at this, our VPN has been installed. Because now it is showing here, remove from Chrome. Now you will click on this button that is showing and click on this pin button. And this is how this VPN will start showing you. Now let me show you by checking once. Now if I check my IP address here first, with the help of what is my IP address. So friends, this is my actual IP address and this is my actual location. Now let's run the VPN. So I clicked on the VPN icon. Click here. After that, agree and continue. This will come to you for the first time. After that, you will click here. You have to click on the country you want to go to. And wait for the country's name. It takes some time. And after that, your VPN will be connected here. Okay, so our VPN has been connected. Now if I refresh this page, let's see what we get in the location and IP. Okay, so look, our IP address has been changed. And our location is London. And the country is United Kingdom of Great Britain. So friends, this is how you can install VPN. And this is how you can hide your location, your privacy. So how do you like the video? Tell us in the comments. And if you like the video, then please like it, share it. And the new viewers who are watching this video, please subscribe to the channel. And also press the notification icon of the bell, so that you get the notification of such technical videos first. Thanks for watching. Bye.